Okay, we have a simple conversion problem here. I'm going to read it. That way we're on the same page. A compound has 3 and 1/100th times 10 to the 24 particles. There are 6 and 2/100ths times 10 to the 23rd particles in a mole. What is the amount of the compound in moles? So that's Avogadro's number. This is a simple chemistry conversion problem. Let's see if we can look at it real quick. Just like any other problem, just anything we've ever done, really, you write down the given first. Okay, so excuse me. Our given is right here. So our given is 3.01 times 10 to the 24th particles. Okay. Now, just like any other conversion problem, we're going to put that over 1. Write the given with the units. It doesn't tell us particles of what, just a compound. So we're just going to write particles over 1. Now, just like any other conversion problem, when we're setting this up, the next step, if we're not in the units that we want, because we want moles as our final answer, we're going to put times fraction bar. Right? In order to cancel the particles, that has to go on the bottom. So we put part on the bottom. And we're going to go from moles. And we can go from particles to moles because it gives us the conversion. Right? So particles on the bottom, moles on the top. Right? Now, we are in the units we want to go to, so now we can go back and fill in our numbers. Right? So, it says there are 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. Sorry, that light is terrible. This is not proper lighting, but we're going to get this done. All right. That many particles in a mole. All right, so we're going to put that next to the particles, right? 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd in a mole, so in 1 mole. So there's your conversion, right? So since that's on the bottom, we're going to divide. Okay. So this calculator may be a little different than what you're using. I don't know. You may be using a cell phone calculator to do this, or one on your computer. But we're going to put scientific notation. So if you need help figuring out how to put scientific notation in the calculator, let me know, and we can do a quick video on that. So we're going to put 3.01 times 10 to the 23rd. On my calculator, it's the little double E. On your calculator, you might have a times 10 or whatever. You can put in parentheses and put this whole thing just like with a regular exponent. There's several different ways depending on calculator. So on my calculator, I put the double E and then the exponent on there. So 24. And then since this number's on the bottom, I'll push divide. So divided by 6.02 and then times 10 to the 23rd and then enter. So you can see when I punch that in, you can see as best you can with the light in this terrible video. The answer is 5. And that's all there is to that problem. Adios.